All right, so we have our concrete.
This has got ribbon all over it.
Yeah, I
got to clean the lenses.
Oh,
all right, that's better.
Yeah? Yeah, that's what they do. The pros do it. All right, the forms have been removed, revealing our beautiful countertops. Now, these are little babies. They're little tiny guys here. I have seen videos of people making these. What?
Did you script that?
Yeah, I'm just reading the teleprompter. It's an app for your phone. It's a teleprompter app. You can see we have a few little tiny voids here. Those are hard to avoid. Anyway, people that do this professionally, they have voids too, so I'm not real worried about it. But what we can do is mix up a little slurry of some concrete and actually just kind of rub it in and fill those before we do our polishing. So I ordered some abrasives that will fit on a 5-inch random orbital sander that you use with water. It's a wet diamond abrasive set. And that is going to remove, I hope, any of these lines and give us a nice polished surface. It has multiple grits.
Yeah,
so
it looks pretty polished in the areas. So in case you're wondering about these lines, we use like packing tape to line the mold.
Yes.
So that the water would not penetrate into the wood and make this stick or get wood grain.
Yeah, and it would have dried out really fast too.
That's true.
So it's good to keep all the moisture from your concrete mix in the concrete.
Yeah, so it was like clear packing tape. So
yeah, it would have wicked all that water away and probably left a really nasty finish. So this actually looks really nice, but it will need a little bit of filling with the voids. And then I think a polish is going to take care of it. And then I got to find out whether or not we're going to put a top coat, like a sealer on this.
Right.
Because I don't know what products are available.
Yeah.
Or what's the right kind of sealer to use.
And this is like the first time we've ever done this.
Yeah, a little bit of an experiment here, but I think it's going to be great.
Yeah.
Really.
So these go on either side of the stove. So if you took a hot pan, you know, off the stove, and they would be turned the other way, actually.
All
All right, that's it.
Hey.